Hello, in this video I want to install Opera mini browser inside this Windows PC. So this Windows computer, I am running it 100% from my Android phone. So let me show this camera you can see here. This is all from my Android phone. So let me slide my phone screen down. You can see I even have one missed call. The camera that I'm using there is a called floating camera. I installed it from Play Store and toggled it it draw over app, and it is it's like this, and I connected to this computer to the remote desktop. So that is a RD client from Play Store, and this RDP I just got it under $10 a month, and it's very fast. So what I'm going to do is to install Opera mini browser to it. So you can simply use your phone as a Windows PC, or you can use your phone you turn your phone into Windows computer 100%, as I'm doing like this. You can see this camera, this floating camera. You can slide it up, down, like this. You know, the many tutorials that you can see screen recording on YouTube. You can see the camera placing on the side like this, and I'm doing that exactly using my phone, and it is seamlessly. If I didn't tell you that this is not for my phone, so you want to know. So this is a Windows RDP, and what I'm going to do, so it is to open Chrome browser, so, and install Opera mini. So you can see how simple it is to install application Opera. So let me just send it. So I'm going to download this and install. So here, select this. So this camera, let me place it on the side. So download Opera. You can see Windows icon here. So that is this, the Windows icon. So you can see it is like exactly Windows 10. Sorry guys. So let me click on download Opera, and let's wait for it to download. And you can see it is downloading on the side. So if I like, I even put camera anywhere I want seamlessly. So the Opera mini have downloaded. So I double click to install it. So I double click, it is opening. So let me close Chrome browser, and let's wait for Opera to accept and install. So let me do that. Accept and install. So everything works 100%. So click on accept, and you can see downloading about. Okay, it is downloading first again, and after that it will install it. Alright guys, so it is starting 30%. So installing for current user administrator. You can see Opera browser has been successfully installed. This is _exe_file. So you can see it. So it is still installing, but you can see Opera browser here. It is already here. The Opera browser icon, I mean. So let's wait for it to finish installing. And wait guys, I will show you the processor of this Windows RDP. So you can see here. So the Opera has been software installed and open successfully. So you can see it. So you can install Windows applications, Windows programs inside this RDP under $10 a month. You can get it, and you can see I have it. It is online 247. If you don't want to be spending much money on a power supply like technical power to run your PC or laptop or desktop 247, you can use RDP. So you can use it, and it is online for you, waiting for you to connect to it. You can connect to it from anywhere, from any device, be it your Android phone, iPhone, or Windows or Mac. You can connect to it 247, as far as you have the IP address, the password, and the username. So username mostly like administrator. So you can see I have installed Opera. So let me just type here Google. So Google, say just a quick search. So you can see here everything is very fast, everything is working fast. You can see here if I type on this messenger, Facebook Messenger, you can see how fast it loads up. Everything is working very fast, and you can see here if I tap here, you can see like everything is instant. So let me tap here again. You can see how fast it loads. So guys, you can get this RDP under $10. Just click the link in the description of this video, and the first link you can get this RDP under $10. You can see how fast. For example, you can see my hand. You can see my hand like this. So if I use it to punch like this, you can see it is very fast, right? If I let me open Chrome, you can see how fast it will open it. So you can see, so it's have open Chrome like this. So and if I cancel it like this, let me try to open Opera browser. So let me open Opera browser. So you can see it is fast also, and this is it. That is it. So let me try again with the speed test on Opera browser, on a Google Chrome, I mean. So let me try the speed test. Alright guys, so speed test, speed test. So let me put camera this side. So okay, so one speed test. Let's see the speed test. Okay, 400 something megabytes per second. That's it, downloads. So guys, so 473.1 megabytes per second. So the upload is not checking now, and 597.0 megabytes per second. So this is great guys. Let's take the okay now. So let's check the processor. So the processor, and let's check the processor here. So it has 64 core processor, 2.0 GHz. So you can see it, everything is working perfectly. You can see that is a Windows Server 2019. So it's there. So let me show you again Windows Server 2019. So you can see here here, let me show Windows Server 2019 data center. So that is this guys. Take the first link in the description of the video and get it. You will get you will get it easily delivered to you. So you can after you have made order for it, you will receive the IP address, the username and the password. As far as you have these details, you can access your RDP or computer anywhere you are from any device. As far as you have the username, password and the IP address. So as far as you have this, you can access your computer anywhere. So this is my phone, and before the best thing about this is, okay, let me see this. Okay, the best thing about this RDP is it is online 24/7. So what I mean is, even if I disconnect this RDP and try to connect to it again, it will be exactly on this page. So, and as I'm using my phone, so let me try to disconnect it. Let's say my phone battery died now, and I want to connect back again, and I was on the page that I don't want to lose. So if my phone died, the RDP will still be on 24/7. So after I charge my phone, I then connect to it again, and I will return back to this exact page. Let me show you guys what I mean. So let me click here and click on X, and no PCs. Now I have disconnected. So now I have disconnected. This one you can see. So all I have to do is to click on it again, and we will be connected, and we will see that we will be returned to the exact page we left off. So let's say I have clicked, and it will connect back. You can see configure remote PC, and as immediately I get connected, I will be returned to the exact page I left off. So be watching it, and you can see boom, we are here. So this is how it works. This is a fast RDP. I don't know how to explain it to you guys more, but you can check the first link in the description to get it. And guys, thank you for watching the video relating to installing Opera Mini on a Windows server like this on your Windows computer. And thank you for watching again, and see you in my next video. So again, to get this camera like this, showing like this, you can just go to Play Store and download floating camera. So this is floating camera, install it, and once you open it, you set it like this, and you are good to go. You can even record YouTube tutorials, and you will see it is like on exact Windows 10. That's what it will be viewing like, showing like. So you can see this is the taskbar and everything. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in my next video.